After rain fury, threat of water contamination in city. Doctors tell people to boil or filter water before consumption. Two-child norm leaves a trial of political mudslinging. The law was done away with to appease MIM, says BJP. 12 days of incessant rain at the fag end of the southwest monsoon has wiped out the entire rainfall deficit in Andhra. Adani Group invited to develop major port at Machilipatnam. The integrated facility, which includes a logistic hub, will come up in 9,200 acres. All party meet cries halt to uranium mining in state. Ask Jagan to take a cue from KCR and pass a resolution in assembly against it. Electors verification program sees poor participation in Karnataka. Voters blame it on booth-level officers, who in turn say they are burdened with other work. Chidambaram denied bail by Delhi High Court in INX media corruption case. Karnataka Chief Minister Yediyurappa to resume tour of flood-affected districts from today. Mysore all decked up for 10-day Dasara. The event will showcase the cultural diversity of Karnataka. 3 killed, 10 injured as mini lorry carrying crackers catches fire in Tamil Nadu. Not given food, says Lalu Prasad's daughter-in-law Aishwarya Rai, accuses family of ill treatment. Election Commission cuts short disqualification term for Sikkim Chief Minister Prem Singh Taman. Congress feels big wicks in Maharashtra. Ashok Chauhan back in the assembly fight. Balasaheb Thorat, Vijay Vadattwar named too. India invaded and occupied Kashmir, says Malaysian PM Mahathir Mohamad at United Nations General Assembly. 80 Congress members arrested ahead of rally in support of jailed law student in Uttar Pradesh. Why have you not paid Bilkis Banu? Supreme Court asked Gujarat government. Air Chief Marshal Bhadoria takes charge as new IAF chief. Shiv Sena leader Aditya Thackeray to contest from Worli will be the first member of the Thackeray family to enter the electoral fray. Saudi Crown Prince denies ordering Jamal Khashoggi killing. Trump allies in disarray as Democrats push impeachment. British Prime Minister Boris Johnson vows to stay to hit Brexit deadline. Lanka's ex-army chief Mahesh Senanayake to run for president. Now Tamil echoing in US. Prime Minister's praise in Chennai after row over Hindi. No time due to Ayodhya hearing. Top court puts off Jammu and Kashmir cases by a day. Saudi Crown Prince warns of unimaginably high oil prices. Yemeni rebels release photos, say they killed and wounded 500 Saudi fighters. No end to suffering of victims. Even after 6 years have passed since the Muzaffarnagar riot, justice remains elusive. File fresh petition, says top court to Waiko on Farooq Abdullah detention. 2 people were killed and 2 more injured when a roller coaster carriage derailed at La Feria amusement park in the capital Mexico City. Veteran actor Viju Khote dies at 77. Sholei's Kalia is immortal. Twitter remember his best role. The 22-year-old Sumit Nagal from Haryana wins title at ATP Challenger, achieves career best ranking of 135. Gautam Gambhir speaks on MS Dhoni's future, says it's about country, not cricketer, and the selectors should start looking to the future. US sprinter Christian Coleman storms to 100-meter gold in World Athletics Championship, becomes the 6th fastest man in history. Sports company ASICS has apologized after the screens outside a flagship store in Auckland, New Zealand showed pornography for several hours.